Today we're highlighting Felton's spices, and we have asked Chef Dewa here at Roundtree at Amagansett to create 2 recipes using this iconic spice.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Yeah. We do grilled spice prawn with the Felton spice original, and then also with chickpea puree, we also will add the Felton spice, the S light. We will start. First one is we make the chickpea puree. The chickpea puree is contained with chickpea. You have to peel the chickpea from the skin, and then carrot, and then some tahini. Everything is written down on the recipe. And then this one, the important one, is the Felton spice. Add some olive oil. We just blend. We will blend this one until it's really smooth. Yeah. The smell is amazing. We have ready with the chickpea puree, and then we do the prawn with the original Felton spice. And then add a little bit more. Okay. Now I start putting in here oil. Smell amazing. We plate it, we put some chickpea puree underneath, and then we put prawn, 3 prawn per portion, and then after that we put some fennel, some orange segment, and then also some frisee and fennel slice, and then some eye drop pepper, and then garnish with fennel radish. So with the dressing, the orange dressing. Always for when we put this one, you always put sprig, little bit of lemon to refresh of the salad. Italian parsley. The spices for the curry: chili, the shallot, turmeric, and garlic, and cashew nut. You grind this one all. You saute, and then until the smell good, which is this one will become the spice of the curry. Inside of the curry, I will put, instead of putting chili and the spices, I will put Felton's spice plenty. 1 tablespoon, and then some water or the stock, and then some coconut milk, and then I put 1 teaspoon of Felton spice plenty. Is for flavor and to make more spicier. Let me just push like this. Smell nice. Put some salt and pepper. Let me test it. It's nice flavor. The texture has to be like thick. The consistency has to be like very thick. And then while this already start like simmering like this, you add inside the seabass. Nice flavor with the Felton spice. Now it's already half cooked, and then we add the eggplant, some of the green bean. Just half of the green bean, some of the cherry tomato, and some coriander. You can see the texture of the fish getting harder, which is almost cooked. And some of the lime. Nice. Some of the garnish.
Crafted with 39 all-natural ingredients, Felton's Spices is the blend your meals have been waiting for. From crispy roasted veggies to sizzling steaks to authentic family recipes, it brings bold flavor and cozy familiarity. Like the taste of home, but with a hint of spice. They start with the essentials: salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and build from there. balancing 68 components drawn from 39 unique ingredients to create a bold, balanced flavor with lower sodium. The result? A highly balanced seasoning that's as comforting as it is craveable. 100% all natural, vegan and keto, MSG and gluten-free, locally sourced ingredients from Michigan. Global ingredients from Spain, Southeast Asia, Romania, Africa, India, South America, and Europe. Use it as a rub, a marinade, or your go-to daily flavor boost. Felton Spice was recently awarded Triple Gold and Triple Silver CPG Awards recognition from Food and Beverage Magazine. To find out more about Felton Spices, visit them online at shopfeltonspice.com.